Namaste students. So, two more methods to prepare haloalkanes. Come, let us begin. The second last method to prepare haloalkanes is halide exchange method, where one halogen is replaced by another halogen. That is a method where, surprisingly, an alkyl halide is converted into another alkyl halide. The halide exchange method includes two reactions, Finkelstein's reaction and Swots reaction. The halide exchange method includes two reactions, Finkelstein's reaction and Swots reaction. Finkelstein's reaction is particularly used to prepare alkyl iodides, while Swots reaction is particularly used to make alkyl fluorides. Let us see the example. We take alkyl halide ethyl chloride. We treat it with sodium iodide in presence of acetone to get ethyl iodide, and the byproduct is NaCl. Now students, as you see here, we have made use of acetone. Sodium iodide is more soluble in acetone compared to sodium chloride. As a result, sodium chloride remains undissolved in the solution and is in the form of a precipitate which can be separated from the product by filtration. Similarly, when I take 1 bromopropane and treat it with sodium iodide by refluxing it in presence of acetone, then I get 1 iodopropane and NaBr. NaI is more soluble in acetone compared to NaBr, hence the byproduct NaBr remains in the precipitated form and hence can be separated from the product by filtration. In this halide exchange method, that is Finkelstein's reaction, a smaller halogen can be replaced by a larger halogen. We can never take iodine here, we can never take iodide here, and we cannot replace iodide by chloride or bromide. That is the special feature must be noted. A larger halogen cannot be replaced by a smaller halogen, and the largest halogen is iodine among the halogens which can be taken over here. The next category in the halide exchange reaction is Swots reaction. The next category in halide exchange reaction is the Swots reaction, which I said is used to make alkyl fluoride. The reagents used can be mercurous fluoride, silver fluoride, cobalt fluoride, antimony trifluoride. Once again, I am repeating the reagents. The reagents that can be used are mercurous fluoride, silver fluoride, cobalt fluoride, and antimony trifluoride. Let us see an example. When ethyl chloride is treated with silver fluoride, then we get ethyl fluoride and the byproduct is AgCl. To see this reaction when there are more than one halogen, this is a geminal dihalide if you remember. It is a dihalogen derivative of alkane. Since both the halogen are on the same carbon and non-terminal, it is a non-terminal geminal dihalide. It is known as sec-propylene dichloride or 2,2-dichloropropane. When it is treated with antimony trifluoride, we get 2,2-difluoropropane, we get 2,2-difluoropropane, and we get antimony chloride. We can just balance it, 3, 2, 3, 2. So that completes the halide exchange method with subdivisions, Finkelstein's reaction and the Swots reaction. The last method among the category of preparation of alkyl halides is hundsdiecker reaction. Hundsdiecker reaction is particularly used to prepare alkyl bromides. Hundsdiecker reaction is particularly used to prepare alkyl bromide. When a silver salt of a carboxylic acid, in carbon tetrachloride is refluxed with bromine. When silver salt of carboxylic acid in carbon tetrachloride is refluxed with bromine, then the silver salt of carboxylic acid decomposes to give a alkyl bromide, carbon dioxide, and AgBr, silver bromide. Carbon dioxide, being gaseous, escapes. Uri Baba. If you look carefully, then in Hundsdiecker reaction, there is descending of the series of carbon chain. There is degradation in the number of carbon. You can see the product has got 2 carbons. The product has got 2 carbons, but the reactant has got 2 carbons, not the product, and the product has got 1 carbon. The reactant has got 2 carbons and the product has got 1 carbon. That means number of carbon reduces, and hence it is used to descend the carbon chain. So with this, my dear kids, my dear children, we complete all the methods to prepare haloalkanes. Stay blessed. Love and blessing.